Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikan Bilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Let's start this week's analysis. As usual, let's start with the Aussie dollar. Okay, so for the Aussie dollar, it pretty much traded sideways this week. We were expecting a breakdown from these levels. It didn't. It consolidated upwards from its macro downtrend. It is still in a downtrend. So shorts that got in here probably would have given up when price reached this level. And the breakdown of the structure started at the last day of the week, which signals a potential stronger break to the downside. This push to the downside will likely find some support at around the 0.69 levels before the market decides what to do. From a macro perspective, a long and rough ride to 0.675 is definitely in the books. And it is also what I expect to see, and this will be a wave 5 impulse move down to these levels. However, it will be rather choppy and it will take some time to get there. So if you are able to get in for a short in the coming week, I think this level is pretty good for an entry. And you can place your stop loss up here at 0.72300. And yeah, and what I think you can do is ride it all the way down here.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.